Alam niyo ba na pwede kayong mag-send ng money for free gamit ang ShopeePay? Walang transaction fees, no hidden charges. It's quick, it's easy, and perfect for everyone. Hi everyone, it's Emigrace and welcome back to my channel. So today, ang share ko sa inyo ay paano ba tayo mag-send ng money for free gamit ang ating ShopeePay. So pwede ito ay ating pambayad ng utang or kaya naman ay pang shopping online. Pwede din. Or kaya naman ay cash gift para sa ating family on a budget-friendly way. So ito i-share ko sa inyo today. Now, let's start with why ShopeePay is a game changer for sending money in the Philippines. So marami tayong benefits na makukuha dito. Number one ay ito ay zero transaction fees. You don't have to pay extra, no? Para lang makapag-send tayo ng pera sa ating loved ones or makapagbayad tayo gamit ang ShopeePay. So wala itong transaction fees. And then number two ay it's very convenient because everything is done in Shopee app. Yan lang, wala na tayong kailangan pang separate na bank account or wallets na gagamitin. And then, instant transfers din to. So, pagka nag-send tayo, ay marireceive na din ito ng ating receiver real time. And then, number 4 ay wide accessibility because it works with other banks, other e-wallets, and other Shopee users. So, ibig sabihin lang nito ay makakapag-save tayo ng time at ng money. Perfect ito for budget-conscious na mga tao. Now, pag-usapan natin, paano ba natin i-activate yung ating ShopeePay? So, bago kayo makapag-send ng money, ay kinakailangan muna na activated at verified yung inyong ShopeePay account. So, ito yung step-by-step guide kung paano natin i-activate yung ating ShopeePay. Number 1 ay i-open lang natin yung ating Shopee app and then i-click nyo lang yung Me tab. And then, i-tap nyo yung inyong ShopeePay. Makikita nyo dyan right away yung ShopeePay. So, i-tap nyo yung ShopeePay and then i-tap nyo rin yung Activate Now para ma-activate ang inyong ShopeePay account. And then, kinakailangan lang na i-verify yung ating account at mag-upload tayo ng ating valid ID. So, whether ito man ay SSS ID, driver's ID, passport, or kaya national ID ay pwede natin yung gamitin para ma-verify ang ating ShopeePay account. And then, number 4 ay once ito ay verified na, itap lang natin yung ating ShopeePay wallet through bank transfers, over-the-counter payments, or kaya naman ay GCash. So, once na na-verify na yung inyong ShopeePay account, ay pwede na natin itong gamitin para makapag-send tayo or makapag-transfer tayo ng pera sa ating mga loved ones, or kaya naman ay pwede na natin ipambili sa ating pag-online shop yung ating pera na nandyan sa ShopeePay. So, paano ba tayo magsasend ng money gamit ang ShopeePay? So, here's a step-by-step guide naman on how to send money for free. So, number 1 ay i-open lang natin yung ating Shopee app and click on ShopeePay under the Me tab. And then, number 2 ay tap on Transfer. Number 3 ay i-choose lang natin send to Shopee user or send to bank or to e-wallet. So, meron tayo diyang mga options na pwede kung saan natin isa-send yung pera. And then, number 4 ay i-enter lang natin yung recipient's details. So, for Shopee users, input lang natin yung kanilang Shopee username. And then, for banks and e-wallets naman, ay i-input natin yung account details nila na nandyan makikita nyo mismo sa inyong screen. And then, i-type nyo lang yung amount na gusto nyong isend at mag-add lang kayo ng optional message. So, either, for example, happy birthday or kaya naman ay bayad sa utang. Pwede din ninyong i-type in dyan yan sa optional message. And then number 6 ay i-confirm the transaction by entering your ShopeePay PIN. So, ganun lang kasimple. Walang transaction fees, walang hidden charges, walang hassle, just instant money transfers. So, now let's address naman some common questions, no, pagdating sa ShopeePay. So, number 1 ay meron bang minimum or maximum amount I can send? Well, the answer is yes. You can send a minimum of 1 peso. Okay, imagine that, 1 peso, pwede ka na ding mag-transfer. So, minimum of 1 peso and maximum of 50,000 pesos per transaction. And then, second question, can I send money outside the Philippines using ShopeePay? So, the answer here is, as of now, yung ShopeePay ay for domestic transactions only. Wala pa itong international transactions. Question number 3 ay what happens naman kung nakapag-send ako ng money sa maling account? Palagi nating i-double check ito bago tayo mag-confirm. Kasi if this happens, ay matatransfer ito doon sa, kasi nga nga, di ba, yung pagta-transfer is real time. So, matatransfer ito sa maling tao. So, pwede nyo ding i-contact naman yung Shopee's customer support immediately para ma-resolve natin itong issue na to. So, knowing these details, ay maiiwasan natin yung mga common mistakes na usually na nangyayari sa paggamit ng ShopeePay. And that's how you can send money gamit ang ShopeePay. So, madali lang ito. It's quick, it's easy, convenient, at ang importante dito, walang fees at all. So, if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and i-hit nyo rin yung notification bell for more videos na kagaya nito. And then, pwede ba kayo mag-drop ng comment in the comment section kung nagamit nyo na yung inyong ShopeePay sa pagsisend ng money or pagta-transfer ng money. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope that I'll see you again on my next one. God bless everyone, and I will see you around. Bye!